This is a video presentation of the 2005 Haas VF-2. Right now we'll go ahead and start off with a tool change. Next we'll go ahead and fire up the spindle. I already pre-warmed the spindle. Start off at about 3,000 RPMs. Well, I'm going to bump it up to pretty close to about 8,000 when we're done here. About 480, 500. About 9,000 RPMs right there. Then we'll just bring it back down nice and easy. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and run the table around here. We'll start off with the Y-axis. X-axis. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and do the chip auger. And we'll run it in reverse as well. Alright. And we did pull the debug hours on here. I'll pull those up real quick. So this machine has 7,033 motion and 6,895 spindle. So it's got nice low hours on it. High intense lighting. It does have the floppy drive. Let's get a side view here. Way covers, table, everything looks real nice. This is pre-wired for 4th and 5th. It's 4th and 5th axis ready. There's your ports there. It does have a RS-232 port. Verify the serial number right now. It's going to be, and it'll take a second. There you go. 39669, manufactured in 1 of 2005. We do have the A and B axis cards in the machine. Vector drive. We do have the manuals, or the manual I should say. It does have the chip chute, the coolant tank and coolant pump, and the foot pads, so everything is here. And this concludes the video presentation of the 2005 Haas VF-2.